What is up, guys? I want to make this really quick video because I'm making this video based off of feedback. I'm recording this after the course has been done and it's had some reviews and it's been going for a few months. And I'm very cognizant of some people really love the course, and I know that some people don't like the course because they feel that it's too slow. Let me just say this. If you are an absolute beginner and you do not know how to draw at all or never really attempted to draw, or you're feeling super apprehensive about the subject of drawing, then yes, I want you to take this course. However, I want you to look at these first sections 1 through 7. Please take a look at those sections, or 1 through 6. That's half the course. If you understand how to draw pyramids, cones, wedges, cylinders, and you know how to round things off and make them organic, and you understand lines and C curves and S curves, this course is not for you. I made this specifically based on the feedback of my students that felt like they wanted something that was really super basic, and that's what this course is. I definitely want people to sign up for the course, but this may not be for you. And let me just say that if you are already drawing and if you're already making basic shapes and you feel like you have been drawing, but you're like, well, maybe this other beginner course is going to help me out, this probably isn't going to be for you. I just want to be completely honest. Not that I haven't been honest, but I want to be completely honest with what to expect. And also, I speak and go over things at a slower pace because it's a beginner course. If you are not really comfortable with someone speaking in a slower pace and being a bit more informal, but constantly giving you the constantly going forward and giving you a bit of feedback and letting you take your time and slowing the things down a little bit, also this course is not going to be for you. So for those of you that need that and that want that, please sign up for the course. That'd be great. But for those of you that really do understand the basic concepts of the first 6 lessons, this course is not going to be for you, and it's probably not going to be very helpful for you. So I just want to reiterate that before you even decide that you want to sign up, because I don't really want you to waste your time at all on something that you already know. I do have other courses, but when it comes to this course right here, I want you to know what to expect. I move at a slower pace because this is really meant for the people that really don't know how to draw or haven't really tried to or have been afraid to, or maybe they look at some of the basic stuff they're doing and feel super frustrated. That's what this course is for. So for those of you that understand all the basics, there are plenty of other courses here on Udemy that will probably benefit you a bit more. So I just want to make you 100% aware of that. This is truly a true beginner course. I said true enough times, right? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and end this, and you can watch the rest of the videos. For those of you that need it, please sign up. And for those of you that think that this might be a little bit too basic for you, thanks for taking a look at the course anyway. All right, see you next time.